What's up, guys? Welcome back to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video, we're taking a look at an altcoin, internet computer, currently trading for $7.41. Internet computer has gone from an all-time high in May 2021 of over $528 to as low as $4.6. It's down more than 99.12%. In this video, we're looking at our relief rally price targets for internet computer. How high can it go in this relief rally? Can internet computer set new all-time highs in the next bull run? We're taking a look at internet computer performance against Ethereum. Should we start flipping out Ethereum for some ICP, or should we start flipping our Bitcoin for some ICP? We're looking at how ICP is performing against Bitcoin. And then we'll look at one important metric, the ICP market cap. It's currently at $1.8 billion from the high of $63 billion in May 2021. If we start accumulating some ICP right now, is the relief rally over for ICP? The altcoin season index is showing us that currently, right now, we're in alt season. Altcoins have been pumping in the last 1 month. Even though ICP has not been pumping like that, should we start buying some ICP right now? In this video, we're talking about price targets of ICP and whether we should hold it through the bear market or we should sell it expecting lower prices. We're talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, if you're new to this channel and you want to make money trading, holding, or investing in cryptocurrencies, this is the channel for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification if you want to get notified anytime I drop a new video. Let's get down to business. Guys, ICP has been dumping since it launched in 2021. ICP has gone really low from $528 to as low as $4.5. If you bought ICP right here in 2021, you will not be a happy customer because ICP is down more than 99.2%. But guys, right now we're having a rally in the altcoin market. It looks as if altcoins are pumping to the moon. Should we start buying some ICP? Should we be expecting ICP to pump to the moon? Because if ICP has been dumping, at some point in time, it has to pump to the moon. But is that time now? Can ICP keep dumping? Guys, the harsh truth is that ICP can keep dumping. And even though ICP was launched at the top of the bull run, we had a rally in the altcoin market. We had altcoins setting new all-time highs in November, December. But what happened to ICP? We saw that ICP kept dumping, and that's why you want to be avoiding some of these new altcoins when they are launched. They can keep dumping. They'll be dumping on retail investors. Probably we might not see ICP pump really hard till the next bull run. So even if we're pumping this relief rally, where is ICP going to face significant resistance to the upside? The first level where you want to look out for ICP is the $9.5 level. This is the ICP US dollar price chart on a daily time frame. You can see that ICP has been rejected off that 9.5 level twice. When we started pumping in June 2022, we thought that maybe the bottom is in for ICP. ICP will continue pumping to the moon. We got rejected off that region, and then we went to set our real new low with around the $4.6 level. Then ICP started pumping with the rest of the market. We're expecting new high, and it looks as if ICP has gotten rejected off that $9.5 region again. Will ICP come to set new all-time lows, or are we coming back to test this $9.5 region and finally break through it? Because guys, the most optimistic thing that can happen to ICP holders is that if we break through this $9.5 level, we have another level around the $15 mark. This will be another critical level for us to go through. There's a lot of resistance level for ICP to pass through. We're going to see ICP set new all-time highs anytime soon. Guys, anytime you see coins dump this hard, when they pump to the upside, the pumps are very violent because a lot of people will not believe that those pumps will happen. You can actually see ICP probably going to as high as $1,000 in the next bull run. That's not out of the realms of possibility of what can happen. Let me show you an example of a coin that dumped really as hard as ICP during the bear market and came back in the next bull run and outperformed the rest of the market. Let's look at Telecoin. Telecoin has been dumping from 2018 when it was launched. Just like ICP, it was launched at the top of the previous bull run and it kept dumping. Anybody that was buying Telecoin right here would just be saying, oh my god, what's happening? Telecoin kept dumping into Goblin Town. It finally found this bottom 784 days after it was launched, and before it found this bottom, it was down more than 99.4%. Just like internet computer, guys, internet computer has been dumping since when it was launched at the top of the previous bull run. It has lost more than 99.12% of its value in the last 403 days. The $1 million question is the bottom in? Because if we're going to be looking at what Telecoin did in the next bull run, just like expecting what ICP to do in the next bull run, you can see that after Telecoin lost that 99.4%, it pumped really hard to the upside. In the next 428 days, Telecoin went up over 89,000%. Guys, if ICP is going to go on to set new all-time highs, if you're holding ICP for the long term, and we see ICP pump in the next bull run, we might see ICP pump to maybe as high as $1,000, maybe higher than that. But for ICP to even get to its previous all-time high, we have to see ICP pump over 12,000%. Is that possible? Guys, for it to be trading at $500 at the top of the bull run, I think it's very, very possible. But let's ask yourself some critical questions. Will ICP actually outperform Bitcoin and outperform Ethereum in the next bull run? Because that's very, very critical if you want to hold any of these altcoins through the bear market. You don't be holding altcoins that when the bull run comes, they will not be performing well. If you look at ICP in the last 1 year, ICP is still down 88.3%. In the last 1 month, even though altcoins have been pumping, you can see many of these altcoins are up 80%, 70%, 256%, 90%, but ICP is just up 0.4%. So even when the market is pumping, it looks as if ICP keeps dumping. In the last 1 week, ICP is down 13.8%. So should we start accumulating it, or should we just sell and move on to other projects, or should we be expecting lower prices? Because guys, if you have been buying ICP at any point in time since it was launched, guess what? All the people that bought ICP right here in June 2022, they're the only guys that probably are in profit right now. Every other person that accumulated ICP right here, they're in huge, huge losses. So a lot of people are not believing that it might pump to new all-time highs. If you look at some technical details about ICP, if you're going to be holding it for the long haul, we have a total supply of 488 million tokens, and 255 million of those tokens are in circulation right now. ICP has a market cap of $1.9 billion. The fully diluted market cap for ICP is at $3.7 billion. Currently, it's ranked 34 on CoinMarketCap. In the last 1 year, it has gone as high as $86 and as low as $4.67. We have over 368,000 people tracking ICP's progress. What makes ICP unique, and why do you want to hold ICP through the bear market? There are a lot of cryptocurrencies in the market, so why should we hold ICP instead of all those other cryptocurrencies? The main innovation behind internet computer is chain key cryptography, which encompasses numerous scientific breakthroughs and countless advancements in crypto engineering, such as network nervous system, low on-chain data storage costs, user-friendly Web3 experience, reverse gas model, anonymity, 100% sovereign infrastructure, and lightning fast speed. This is a very, very popular altcoin. It's basically on all other exchanges. If you want to get it, guys, this is a very, very popular altcoin. It's basically on all exchanges. If you want to get it, you can get it on Binance, on Coinbase, Gate.io, KuCoin, Huber Global, Kraken. Anywhere you get your favorite altcoins, I'll put a link in the description for you guys. If you want to get it on the largest exchange in the cryptoverse, if you want to get it on Binance. Let's go at ICP's performance against Ethereum. ICP performance against Ethereum is nothing to write home about. If you flipped your Ethereum for some ICP when ICP was launched right here, guys, you'll be in huge, huge losses. ICP has been dumping really hard against Ethereum. ICP has lost over 97.32% of its value against Ethereum in just over a year. But guys, at some point in time, I'll expect this trend to change, just like I showed you guys with Telecoin. When a lot of these altcoins dump really hard and they lose more than 99% of their value, a lot of people just lose hope in them and believe, you know what, this coin can never recover, it can never go to the moon, and that's the exact time you want to be accumulating it. And that's why I'm making these videos for you guys. You want to accumulate all these altcoins in the bear market. You want to look at and ask yourself, in the next bull run, what are the altcoins people will be buying? What altcoins will people expect to go to the moon in the next bull run, and you want to front run those decisions? If you look at ICP's performance against Ethereum, it's not going to ginger you to want to flip your Ethereum for some ICP. But when you're doing it and it feels wrong, that's the time you want to do it, because nobody wants to lose money. At the same time, when ICP pumps against Ethereum, we might see ICP going back to where it was launched against Ethereum. And guys, for ICP to do that, ICP has to outperform Ethereum by over 3,000%. Can he do it? Only the next bull run will tell us. Currently, we're in altcoin season. Altcoins are supposed to be pumping to the moon. In the top 50 cryptocurrencies by market cap, you can see that 75% of them have outperformed Bitcoin in the last 90 days. ICP is among the top 50 cryptos, but it has not outperformed Bitcoin. So should we still continue holding ICP? Because guys, if you look at ICP's performance against Bitcoin, just like its performance against Ethereum, it has been dumping to goblin town. That's lost more than 97.99% of its value. Now, due to the rally we're having in the altcoin market, that the market has been pumping, ICP has not performed really well since when it bottomed against Bitcoin right here on the 11th of June 2022. ICP has gone up more than 96%. Even though it has lost some of those gains, it's still up more than 56%. Should we start buying some ICP? Because guys, ICP has deceived us. We had this rally right here. The ICP pumps a whooping 89%. A lot of people bought ICP thinking maybe the bottom is in. ICP kept dumping. We had another rally right here where ICP outperformed Bitcoin by a whooping 76%. And after that, ICP kept dumping. So we have a recurring theme right here. ICP has been dumping against the US dollar. It has been dumping against Ethereum. That's also been dumping against Bitcoin. So why should we even still hold it? Let's take a look at the market cap before we make that decision. ICP's market cap went from as high as $68 billion to as low as $1.1 billion in the bear market. In 405 days, ICP lost 98.37% of its market cap. Right now, it looks as if ICP is rallying back to the upside. It went from that $1.1 billion low to as high as $2.3 billion. But it looks as if it's consolidating around this region. Guys, we're going to see higher price for ICP. ICP needs to clear this $2.2 billion level. We need to conveniently close the candle above it. Then maybe, just maybe, we might start attacking our next resistance level that ICP will need to clear if we're going to see higher price for ICP, and that's the $3.9 billion level. These are very, very critical levels for ICP. We have to be tracking these levels through the bear market, because that's when we know that maybe, just maybe, the bear market is over for ICP. And if by some stroke of luck, ICP can get through $3.8 billion, the $7.2 billion level will be another very critical level for ICP. Guys, these levels are very, very critical, because you can see that ICP's market cap have been having reactions to this level. And I believe that in future, when we come back to these levels, we're going to have some reactions to this level. So these are levels to watch out for on the ICP US dollar price chart. Important levels to watch out for at the $9.5 level, the $15.5 level. And guys, another important level you don't want to let out of your sight is this low ICP has set, around $5 to $4.5. If ICP will come lower than that level, this will be a very, very good buying opportunity to load more ICP in the bear market. Remember, guys, this is not financial advice. I'm just telling you guys what I will do in the bear market. You have to make that decision for yourself. You don't want to go all in on these altcoins. Manage your risks through the bear market. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Tell me, do you want to be buying more ICP right now as it's dumping? It's down more than 99% from the all-time high. Do you believe ICP will see new all-time highs in the future? Or do you think that ICP will never set new all-time highs and will continue dumping to goblin town and ICP will turn towards zero? Or will you just be buying more ICP during the bear market because you believe at some point in time we're going to new all-time highs? I want to hear your thoughts about ICP in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. If you want to get updated on the latest news and chart analysis on crypto, don't forget to follow me on social media. On Facebook, it's at Mr. Legend Crypto. On Twitter, Mr. Legend Crypto. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification if you want to get notified anytime I drop a new video. See you guys in my next video.